So for this, I have taken two cans of chickpeas, boiled chickpeas. If you can't have cans, you can you can boil chickpeas at your home uh, after soaking in. We have washed chickpeas. See, it's done now. Now we will add these chickpeas in a bowl. Then we will take two sliced finely chopped onions, two medium sized washed. We will add this onion in this. Then we will add one finely chopped tomato, one tomato, 3 to 4 finely chopped green chilies. Spicy. This spices depend upon your taste. If you don't like very spicy, you can lower the. This is homemade masala, which is cumin seeds as well as red pepper, and I have roasted red chilies and cumin seeds and made it into masala. So this is roasted one, so I will add this pinch of this masala as well. Now we will add chana chaat masala, Alnoor chana chaat masala. You can have any brand chana masala if you want to have, or if you don't have chana masala, or if you don't have chana masala, you can just add this cumin and red chili masala. Now we will add this. I have added two boiled cubes, potato cubes as well. Two boiled potatoes, peeled and cut it into cubes. I have added potatoes as well. Now I will add salt according to taste. Now lemon, one lemon. Now I will add tamarind sauce, Maggi tamarind sauce. It is easily available in the market, especially in India. You can have it in UK as well. Tamarind sauce. If you don't get Maggi tamarind sauce, you can have any other brand if you like. Maggi tamarind sauce is really tangy, so it gives special taste to this. I have added kurkure in it. Special kurkure Indian spice chili chatka street food, which will give a special taste to it. And if you're adding kurkure in it, you will have to have use less salt, because it is salty. So if you add kurkure, just use less salt so that it becomes not more salty. Okay, now we will mix this chaat. Now we will mix this chaat with the spoon. There's boiled potato in it, onion in it, tomato in it, green chilies, then spices, a little bit of salt, and to add to it, we have kurkure in it. Kurkure will give special flavor to it, this chaat. And this is ready in minutes, but it is very spicy and very tangy. You have tamarind sauce as well in it, Maggi tamarind sauce, which will give special tangy flavor to it. So this chaat is ready. This is chola chaat.